What's up? Wake up, buddy.
What? Has your VPN stopped working again?
Exactly. That bloody VPN again. Listen, would you send this message to my friend?
Not possible.
Why?
You haven't even passed by this door for this last couple of months, and suddenly you just remembered, wow, there's another app I could use. Dude, you haven't even said hello to me.
Okay. How are you?
It doesn't matter now. The moment is past. By the way, there's a new update you can install or whatever.
Is anything going to change in this new update?
Yeah. We added some, and then, technically no, but, we made the spying feature a little simpler for us. You know what I mean?
No update then. Just send this message for me, or I will install Swoosh.
Alright. Let me see what I can do.
Just do it.
You sure you want to send this?
Not really. Wait a minute. Oh no, that was the wrong message. Here's the one that I should send. Just send this one.
Oops. Too late.
What the heck? What do you mean by too late? Just delete it.
Not possible.
But you can delete messages after they are delivered, remember?
Fine. You people. Just wait for 30 seconds. You can only delete a message 30 seconds after its delivery.
Fine.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. There we go. Hey fellow, this girl sent you something but has changed her mind and deleted it. What could it be? Mic drop.
Why on earth would you do that?
How do you like that? Well, admit it. That's fun. For me, not for you.
That is why I like Telegram. The guy deletes messages like it never existed before.
Oh, come on, man. Don't name him in front of me. The douche is constantly changing. I have a new feature. Come and install my new update. Great souls never change.
That's exactly why other people prefer it to you.
Dude, I am the only app that has not been banned for all these years. I offer voice call, video call, you can send text messages, which I really like to read with Mark Zuckerberg. But have I ever asked even a single penny for all the services? Huh?
You know what? Never mind. I'll just find another VPN.
Okay. This one's for CIA. This one's for Pentagon. This one's for the President of China. Ooh, Mark. This one's for Mark Zuckerberg. Should I send something for Putin? Yeah, the guy's a madman. You don't want to mess with a madman. This one's for Putin.